From humble earth to towering edifice, the journey of a single brick is a testament to human ingenuity. If you've enjoyed witnessing this remarkable transformation, subscribe now to explore the hidden stories behind the products that shape our world.
Deep within the earth, the story of creation begins. Here, ancient sediments, compressed over millennia, yield the very essence of future structures. Raw clay.
From the heart of the earth, these raw materials embark on their first journey. A vital transfer from excavation to the processing hub.
The raw earth now meets the threshold of human ingenuity. This monumental intake marks the true beginning of its metamorphosis. And if you're as fascinated by these incredible processes as we are, make sure to hit that.
From the chaotic raw material, a perfect form begins to emerge. The extruder, a marvel of engineering, shapes the clay into an endless column, the very foundation of countless structures.
With incredible precision, the continuous clay column is now transformed. A symphony of wires descends, slicing the raw material into the familiar uniform shapes of future bricks.
Within these colossal machines, the raw earth begins its profound transformation. Crushing forces break it down, while precise hydration unlocks its true plasticity.
From a continuous column to individual units. These green bricks, still soft and moist, embark on their journey along the conveyor, each one a testament to precision and preparation.
Before the ultimate transformation, these fragile forms must shed their moisture. In vast controlled chambers, the bricks undergo a patient drying process, slowly hardening, preparing for the fiery crucible ahead.
Now, the moment of truth approaches. These perfectly dried forms are guided by tireless machines into the heart of the kiln, where fire will forge their final strength. If you're fascinated by these incredible transformations, do make sure to subscribe and hit that bell.
And now, the journey into fire truly begins. Within the searing heart of the kiln, these clay forms will be subjected to immense heat, transforming them from fragile earth into resilient, enduring bricks.
Deeper into the inferno, the clay bricks endure temperatures that would melt lesser materials. This is where their true strength is forged, a crucible of fire transforming earth into enduring structure.
This is the crucible's heart, where clay surrenders its soft form to the relentless heat, emerging reborn as a material of immense strength and durability. A testament to transformation.
The fiery trial is complete. Now, a delicate dance of cooling begins, ensuring their newfound strength is preserved. And if you're finding this journey of transformation as fascinating as I am, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to see more incredible.
From the furnace's embrace, these bricks embark on their final journey of preparation. Each one a testament to the meticulous process, now ready to stand the test of time.
In the quest for perfection, technology plays its vital role. Each brick meticulously examined, ensuring only the highest quality product moves forward, ready for its destiny in the built world.
From the Earth's very core, the journey of the humble brick begins. Raw clay, rich in minerals, enters the formidable primary crusher, where nature's bounty is transformed by sheer mechanical force. Each monumental bite shatters ancient stone into...
The finely ground clay now meets its vital partner, water. Within the formidable pug mill, it undergoes a profound transformation, becoming a plastic, workable mass, ready for the next stage of its creation.
Now the clay takes its first true form. Forced through a precision die, it emerges as a continuous, perfect column, an elegant display of engineering. If you're captivated by these intricate processes, consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the unseen world.
These green bricks, though perfectly formed, still hold a significant amount of moisture. They now embark on a slow, controlled journey into the drying chamber, a critical step to prevent cracking and ensure their structural integrity before the intense heat of the kiln.
With remarkable precision, the automated wire cutter performs its delicate dance. Each taut wire descends, transforming the continuous column into perfectly formed green bricks, uniform and ready for their next crucial stage.
Within this controlled environment, the newly formed green bricks embark on a crucial stage of their transformation, shedding their inherent moisture, a delicate balance between speed and structural integrity.
Having shed their excess water, these bricks are now transformed from fragile green forms into robust dry units, each one meticulously checked, ensuring it meets the stringent quality standards before the ultimate test.
The journey of these humble bricks is truly a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity. If you're fascinated by the hidden processes that shape our world, do consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon to join us on future explorations.
Now, the ultimate crucible awaits. These meticulously prepared bricks are drawn into the heart of the tunnel kiln, where temperatures will soar, igniting a fundamental transformation that will define their very essence.
Here, at the fiery core, the raw clay is reborn. The intense heat fuses its particles, transforming it from a fragile earth into an enduring stone, ready to stand for centuries. This is the very crucible of creation.
Having endured the inferno, the bricks now begin their slow, controlled descent into cooler temperatures. This critical phase allows the newly formed ceramic structure to stabilize, preventing thermal shock and ensuring the integrity of each piece.
The journey through the cooling zone is meticulously managed. Powerful fans ensure a uniform temperature drop, preventing internal stresses that could compromise the brick's strength and longevity.
Thermometers. Even after the intense firing, not every brick meets the stringent quality standards. Advanced robotics now meticulously inspect each piece, ensuring only the finest examples proceed. If you're fascinated by the intricate processes behind
The culmination of the process sees the individual bricks transformed into robust, manageable units. Automated stacking systems work with remarkable precision, forming stable bundles that are both efficient for transport and secure for storage.
From individual clay to finished product, the final stage prepares these essential building blocks for the world. Robotic precision ensures each pallet is perfectly constructed, ready for distribution to construction sites across the globe, where they will form the very foundation.
With the bricks now perfectly stacked, they proceed to the automated wrapping station. Here, a protective film is applied with incredible speed and precision, safeguarding each bundle for its journey ahead.
Before leaving the factory floor, each pallet undergoes a rigorous final inspection. Advanced sensors and the keen eye of experienced personnel ensure that every brick, every bundle, meets the exacting standards of quality and durability.
With final approval, the bricks are now ready for dispatch. Powerful forklifts expertly transfer the heavy pallets onto waiting transport, beginning their journey to construction sites across the land. And if you're enjoying this fascinating glimpse into the world of brick manufacturing, please do hit that subscribe button.
And so the finished product embarks on its final leg of the journey. Each truckload represents countless hours of precision engineering and dedicated craftsmanship, destined to become the foundation of new structures, new homes, and new communities.
From the heart of the factory, these meticulously crafted bricks now reach their ultimate destination, the vibrant, bustling canvas of a modern construction site. Here, they will fulfill their purpose, transforming raw materials into enduring structures.
The journey of the brick culminates here, at the very heart of creation. Each pallet, a testament to precision, now awaits its ultimate purpose.
Before the structure can rise, the foundation must be true. A precise blend of sand, cement, and water forms the crucial bond that will hold everything together.
With the foundation set, the true artistry of assembly begins. Each brick, a perfect component, finds its place with remarkable precision. Witnessing the
As the structure gains height, the rhythm of construction intensifies. Each brick, individually crafted, contributes to the collective strength and form of the emerging edifice. The final touch, the pointing of the mortar, is more than mere aesthetics. It is a critical step, sealing the structure against the elements and ensuring the enduring legacy of the bricklayer's craft.
From the kiln's fiery embrace, these bricks now embark on their final journey, meticulously prepared for the world beyond the factory walls.
The protective embrace of plastic ensures these vital building blocks remain pristine, shielding them from the elements and the rigors of transit.
With precision and power, these finished products are transferred, bridging the gap between creation and consumption. If you're fascinated by how the world is built, subscribe to see more incredible processes like this.
The journey begins. Across highways and byways, these meticulously crafted bricks are transported, destined for the very structures that define our modern world.
Finally, the bricks arrive at their ultimate destination. Here, skilled hands will transform these clay blocks into the very fabric of our communities, standing strong for generations.
After its long journey, the finished product arrives, ready to be transformed once more, from mere material to the very fabric of our urban landscape.
Each pallet, a testament to precision and strength, now awaits its ultimate purpose, poised to become an integral part of a new structure. So,
with steady hands and generations of acquired skill, the mason begins the delicate dance of construction. As the first brick is laid, a new structure begins to rise from the earth. To witness more incredible journeys of creation, ensure you...
Layer by layer, brick by brick, the structure takes shape. A symphony of human effort, transforming simple elements into enduring strength.
From humble earth to towering edifice, the journey of a single brick is a testament to human ingenuity. If you've enjoyed witnessing this remarkable transformation, subscribe now to explore the hidden stories behind the products that shape our world.